Hey guys, hope you're doing great and well. Alright, in this content for today, what I want to share with you is about how can you monetize your skills, your passion in food industry, right? So the topic for today is what else beyond being a chef, a line cook, or a foodie, which is everybody's is a foodie, right? So let's get into the content for today. So what I want to share with you in this content is that what else can you do being a chef, a line cook, or food influencer, food bloggers, or somebody who likes food and who likes to take pictures and explorers, adventures, and all those things, right? So in this content, I'll actually want to kind of give you a brief idea about royalties. I believe that you guys understand what is royalty means in terms of a business, right? So what it is, like when you create a product, right? You have those brand name assigned to you, and then you earn kind of a little percentage or a commission on that product sale for a lifetime or some period of time. Depends on how long is the contract signed for, right? So that's what I want to share with you. So who doesn't want a royalty in any products or things that you do, right? So the competitions in this commodity product is kind of a, you know, it's kind of a very wide and it's in a very large scale. But does it mean that's impossible? No, it's very easy to do it. So if you have a fan, followers, or if you have been within a good community, you can always start from that point, right? So if you have a social media platform and you have friends and followers, that's where you can start. And if you have been a good chef or a line cook within a small town or community, that's where you can start and start building your brand, right? So now what we are going to be talking about is these three topics. How can we do that? So the first would be, what is it about, right? So the first thing is, like, see, everybody create contents, right? Everybody wants to make contents out of it. It's very similar to how you do in YouTube contents, like what we are doing right now. Or say if you're in the music industry, you do have the royalties for your music that you release. Or if you are an artist or some sort of a content creator, then sometime you get product royalties on the things that you have created. So in very similar to that, what we are going to be talking about is creating a food brand in your name. So let's say you like your own food and you have an idea about what kind of food that you want to create. So based on that idea and the concepts that you have it, which you want to promote it, which you want to tag that to be your brand, we will be creating those kind of a product, right? So there is a lot of things that you can start with. So the thing is that when you want to start this product, right, there's a lot of options. You can start from your home, your kitchen. If not, you can also start from partnering with some restaurants, or if not, then you can just start your own commissary kitchen, which provides you a space to rent and build your own food, and then try to sell those products and relicense those products. So that's what we are going to be talking about. So right now, let's say you have to create this product. Where will you do it? So if you do not find any restaurants or commissary, or you don't have a sufficient space or items or ingredients at your place, you can always contact us, because that's what we do at the Yo Grub Social Kitchen, that we provide space and ingredients for people who wants to start their brand product, their food brand products. So that's what we are looking for. And so that is all what it is about. And how it's going to work is that as we have built up your brand product, right, we have the marketplace and we have all the system in place. We feel we are going to market and launch that product together, right? So whatever the sales that comes through to that channel, or whatever the product is or sold, right, we will give you royalty commissions on each product, which is designed and created and built by you. So that's how it's going to be working. And how you do it is the next question. So how you do it is very simple. You have to create your own product, and for that you need a list of ingredients. So let's say if you have a hard time to come up to, to the restaurants or to commissary or at your place, just send us the ingredients that you want us to build up, and we will work along with you through a webinar or wherever you're from. If you cannot walk into or say come visit to one of our locations, then we will do that live with you. And if you really like what we have created, we will set and assign those products in your name, and we'll start launching together. So if you do not have a space or say how you do it, don't worry about it. We have a lot of chefs who will be able to create that product for you. But at the end, we want to brand that product in your name, or say with you, right? So how do you create it, right? As I mentioned earlier, if you want that food brand to be created, you can always visit your friends' restaurants or reserve commissary kitchens and all those things. But here's what's going to happen here is that if you have to use your friend restaurant, probably when the product is in demand, you won't have people or manpower to make that product for you from that particular location. Or if you have commissary kitchen, then probably you may also not have the staff to work on that. But what's the good thing about Yo Grub Social Kitchen is that we have a staff who will work that for you, or who will help you out on making that food products from our location. So our chef is going to help you out on making that product on a daily basis, and also at the same time, we as a business will help you out licensing those products so we can expand your brand product all across the world, right? As long as you can push your market, as long as you can build up your network and fans and followers, and you have a wide channel of marketing the product, then it'll be much easier for you. So how do you start with, right? If you're interested, just send us an email at info@yogrub.com, or you can send email to me as well, sam@sameair.com. So from there onward, we can contact you and we can discuss about how it's going to work. And if you are willing to get started, then of course it will not take more than 2 or 3 days for us to get started and launch your brand products within 7 to 14 days, basically within 1 or 2 weeks. It depends on what kind of ingredients that you want to add in your product. So if the ingredients are not available locally, then probably it may take some time for us to order it. But if it is available, then it will not take more than 48 hours to 72 hours for us to finish that product and finalize the brand product in your name. Alright guys, that's all I want to share with you for today. So just to summarize once again, what we are talking about for today is what is beyond being a chef, being a line cook, or a foodie. Alright, so when I say foodie, it's going to be food influencers, people who like to explore food. So create your food brand with us, or you can create your own. And there is a way to monetize those food products. Imagine, see, you can understand like how many products can we sell in a day, and if you are getting just by providing the ingredients and marketing through your channel, you can actually generate a good amount of income, not working actively or say even passively, right? So that's what the opportunity that I have found it, and I want to share with you guys. So if you find it interested, please do share this in the comment sections, or like I said, email to me or to our team at info@yogrub.com.